Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Clash of Clans Forge. The Forge is a powerful tool found in your builder base, designed to transform your excess home village gold and elixir into useful builder base resources and clan capital gold. It helps speed up your progress by allowing you to invest spare main village resources into other areas of the game, rather than letting them sit unused. This process is entirely automatic once you start it. To unlock the Forge, your builder hall must reach at least level 8. Once unlocked, you will need to assign one of your home village builders to operate it, meaning that builder will be unavailable for other tasks during the forging period. Each item you wish to forge will consume a certain amount of your main village gold and elixir. Carefully check the required resources and the time commitment before starting a new forging project to ensure you have enough. When you access the Forge, you will see a selection of items to create, primarily builder gold, builder elixir, and clan capital gold. Your choice should align with your current game priorities. If your clan is actively building its capital, prioritizing clan capital gold can significantly benefit your whole team. Conversely, if you are focusing on upgrading your own builder base, then builder gold and elixir will be your best options for progress. After you start a forging task, your chosen builder will be busy for the entire duration, ranging from a few hours to several days. It is important to regularly check back and collect your finished items, freeing up the builder for new tasks. You can observe the remaining time on the Forge itself. Each builder assigned to the Forge can produce an impressive maximum of 240,000 builder gold within a single 24-hour period.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.